bowling team is striking again and back into the season. With lots of amazing people on the team, we've gathered 2 people from the team to tell us about the bowling season.
The season is going very well, and our team's record is actually very good.
The toughest team we've probably played this year is Lance Cruz, and my highest score is a 142.
How much has the team improved since the beginning of the season?
Our team has improved a lot. They don't miss as many shots now.
The postseason, it's looking pretty good, but overall we're going to need a lot more members to join both teams.
My favorite part of bowling is just the chillness of it, and there's no stress to it.
Thank you to the players that showed up here. Good to hear what you have to say. Do you want more M6 news? I'm Colin Ward for M6, your hometown station.